You won't believe this, but a single supernova explosion creates more gold in 10 seconds than exists in Earth's entire core. These stellar explosions reach temperatures of 100 billion degrees, hot enough to forge elements that can't be created anywhere else in the universe. Every piece of gold jewelry you've ever seen was literally born inside a dying star billions of years ago. The incredible pressure and heat during a supernova's final moments fuses lighter elements together, creating gold, platinum, and other heavy metals in astronomical quantities. So the next time you see gold, remember, you're looking at stardust from one of the most violent events in the cosmos. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts. The most terrifying fact about space is that our sun devours itself by eating 4 million tons of its own body every single second. This isn't some distant future event. It's happening right now as you watch this. Through nuclear fusion, our sun literally converts its own mass into pure energy, essentially consuming itself to keep us alive. Every second, 4 million tons of the sun just disappears forever. That's like 40,000 blue whales vanishing into thin air every single second. But here's the crazy part. Despite this constant self-destruction, our sun is so massive that it can continue this cannibalistic process for another 5 billion years before it runs out of fuel. So yeah, we're basically surviving off a giant, self-eating fireball in space. Follow for more mind-bending space facts that'll keep you up at night. You won't believe this, but our Milky Way galaxy is literally eating other galaxies alive right now. Scientists call this galactic cannibalism, and it's happening all around us in space. Our galaxy has already devoured at least 15 smaller galaxies, ripping apart their stars and absorbing them into our spiral arms. Right now, the Milky Way is in the middle of eating the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy, slowly tearing it apart over millions of years. But here's the crazy part. In about 4.5 billion years, our galaxy will collide and merge with the massive Andromeda galaxy in the ultimate cosmic feast. The night sky will be completely transformed as these two galactic giants dance and merge together. Follow for more mind-bending space facts. This will break your brain. Black holes can literally make you immortal. Here's the crazy part. If you fell into a black hole, time would slow down so dramatically that from your perspective, you'd experience the entire future of the universe in fast forward. While billions of years pass outside, you'd only age minutes or hours. This happens because gravity warps time itself. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. Einstein predicted this wild effect over 100 years ago, and we've proven it's real. So technically, falling into a black hole would let you witness the death of stars, galaxies colliding, and maybe even the end of time itself. Mind blown yet? Follow for more insane space facts that'll make you question reality. You won't believe this, but dark matter is literally stealing stars from our galaxy right now. Scientists estimate that 85% of all matter in the universe is this invisible substance we can't see or touch. But here's the crazy part. Without dark matter, our galaxy would fly apart instantly. The stars would scatter into space like marbles rolling off a table. Dark matter acts like invisible glue, holding everything together with its gravitational pull. Even crazier? There's probably dark matter passing through your body right now, millions of particles every second, and you can't feel it at all. We're swimming in an ocean of invisible matter that we barely understand. Follow for more mind-bending space facts. Jupiter literally saves Earth from extinction every single day, and you had no idea. This massive planet acts as our cosmic bodyguard, using its incredible gravity to catch or deflect deadly asteroids and comets before they can hit us. Scientists estimate that without Jupiter's protection, Earth would be bombarded by space rocks 1,000 times more often. The Shoemaker-Levy 9 comet proved this in 1994, when Jupiter's gravity captured it and absorbed the impact that could have devastated our planet. Jupiter is so powerful that it can fling asteroids completely out of our solar system or redirect them into safe orbits. We literally owe our existence to this giant gas planet acting as our silent guardian in space. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts. You won't believe this, but the gold in your jewelry was literally forged inside a dying star. When massive stars run out of fuel, they explode in spectacular supernovas that are so powerful they can be seen from billions of miles away. But here's the crazy part. During these cosmic explosions, the extreme heat and pressure actually creates heavy elements like gold, platinum, and silver. These precious metals get blasted across the universe and eventually form new planets. So that wedding ring on your finger, those gold earrings, they're literally made of stardust that was forged in one of the most violent events in the cosmos. Every atom of gold on Earth came from ancient stellar explosions. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts. The most terrifying fact about space is that the gold in your wedding ring was forged inside a dying star's nuclear explosion. When massive stars run out of fuel, they collapse and explode in spectacular supernovas, creating temperatures of 100 billion degrees. At these insane temperatures, lighter elements like iron get smashed together so violently they transform into heavy elements like gold, platinum, and uranium. These stellar explosions literally spray precious metals across the universe. So every piece of gold jewelry you own, every gold tooth filling, even gold in your smartphone, it all came from the violent death of ancient stars billions of years ago. You're literally wearing pieces of stellar corpses. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts. The most terrifying fact about space is that the moon is literally escaping from Earth right now. Every single year, our moon drifts 1.5 inches further away from us. That might not sound like much, but here's the crazy part. When dinosaurs roamed the Earth, days were only 22 hours long because the moon was much closer. The moon's gravity controls our tides, stabilizes our climate, and even affects how fast our planet spins. As it escapes, Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down, making our days longer. In about 600 million years, the moon will appear so small that total solar eclipses will be impossible. Scientists say we're witnessing a cosmic breakup in slow motion. Follow for more mind-bending space facts that'll change how you see the universe. The moon is literally stealing time from Earth and making our days longer. Here's how this cosmic theft works. Every day, the moon moves about 1.5 inches further away from us, and as it does, it's dragging our rotation with it through gravitational forces. When dinosaurs roamed Earth 100 million years ago, a day was only 23 hours long because the moon was much closer. The moon's gravity creates tidal bulges in our oceans, and these bulges act like brakes on Earth's spin. We're losing about 2 milliseconds per century. In the far future, Earth days will be 47 hours long, and we'll be tidally locked with the moon. Follow for more mind-bending space facts. The most terrifying fact about space is that the sun is literally eating itself alive every single second. Every moment, our sun converts 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium through nuclear fusion. But here's the crazy part. It loses 4 million tons of mass completely, turning it into pure energy. That energy? It's what keeps us alive. The sun is essentially burning itself to death to power our entire solar system. And get this, it's been doing this for 4.6 billion years and will continue for another 5 billion years before it dies. We're living off a massive star that's slowly committing cosmic suicide. Mind blown yet? Follow for more incredible space facts that will change how you see the universe. You won't believe this, but some nebulae are so massive they could swallow 10,000 solar systems whole. These aren't just pretty space clouds, they're cosmic monsters. The Rosette Nebula alone spans 130 light-years across. To put that in perspective, light from one side takes 130 years to reach the other side. But here's what's really wild. Inside these giant gas clouds, new stars are literally being born right now. The pressure and gravity slowly squeeze the gas until it ignites into a blazing star. We're basically watching stellar nurseries in action. Some of these nebulae contain enough material to create millions of stars like our sun. It's like the universe's ultimate recycling program, turning cosmic dust into the building blocks of entire solar systems. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts. You won't believe this, but Venus is actually hotter than Mercury, even though it's twice as far from the Sun. While Mercury reaches about 800 degrees Fahrenheit, Venus scorches at a deadly 900 degrees. But here's the crazy part. It's all because of Venus's atmosphere. This planet is wrapped in a blanket of carbon dioxide so thick that it creates the most extreme greenhouse effect in our solar system. The atmosphere is 96% carbon dioxide and 90 times denser than Earth's. It's like being crushed under 3,000 feet of ocean water while being roasted alive. The heat is so intense that it can melt lead, and it stays this hot everywhere on the planet, even at night. Follow for more mind-blowing space facts. The most terrifying fact about space is that our universe is literally dying right now, and scientists know exactly how it will end. It's called heat death, and it's already happening. Every star that burns, every light that shines, is using up the universe's energy forever. Think of it like a giant battery that can never be recharged. Right now, stars are being born at an incredible rate, but in about 100 trillion years, the last star will flicker out. After that, complete darkness. No light, no heat, no life anywhere. Just cold, empty space expanding forever. The craziest part? We're living in the universe's golden age right now, when everything is bright and full of energy. Follow for more mind-bending space facts.